Many English speakers, when they try to pronounce something like Ani Rotze Lomar, they're saying Ani Rotze Lomar, like they're replacing the Reish in Hebrew with W, and that's wrong. If you want to pronounce it properly in the Hebrew language, you have to pronounce the Reish from your throat. It's similar to Spanish, like R con R cigarro, R con R barril, but in Spanish, I'm not sure how to do it. Spanish-speaking people, they pronounce the reish from the mouth. We in Hebrew pronounce the reish from the throat, so that's the main emphasis. So once again, if you want to pronounce reish, you have to pronounce it and say it from the throat. And it's not W. It's not Woze or Woze. It's not Rotze, it's Rotze. It's Reish. Once again, Ani Rotze Lomar. I want to say something in Hebrew. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe.